Are you sometimes having this same issue, whether you're in the back seat of your car trying to move the passenger front seat and adjust it, or you're on the driver's seat trying to adjust it on the passenger side? Well, this device might be the solution from TL Yard. Hey everybody, this is Ken. Show you what's in this box really quick before I get it installed. And the first thing is just the little wireless remote that you can do wirelessly once you get everything hooked up with the transmitter. It's got the 3M tape on the back of it where you can pretty much put it anywhere you want to. I mean, it's pretty much just plastic. This is the little box that's gonna go pretty much somewhere in the seat. This is where I'll put it once I get it hooked up. Ties, as you can see right here. So those will help you if you need them to secure your cables, I believe. So that's pretty cool. I appreciate that. Pass-throughs and the adapters that you're gonna need, but everything is still gonna work in the car. The seat is gonna work like it's supposed to, so there won't be any huge changes at all. Underneath the seat, there is one screw that will loosen the panel. And last but not least, this is some double-sided tape on both sides. And what this is for your transmitter. That's it. Let's get started. They don't provide you like a pry tool, which sucks, but I have plenty of those. So we got that out. Pretty simple, right? Just like that. So I'll make sure I don't lose this. So when I put everything back together, just start down here. It is some clamps here. Okay, so that's out. So before I do anything, I went to safety. Then I'm gonna power the car off since I'm messing with some cables. If you have like a little flathead, that'll be a whole lot easier to get this part disconnected, just like that. And this is just basically like a pass-through, like an adapter or something, and it snaps right in. Then I'll take their cable so this part is pretty much done, and I'll figure out how to hide the wires. And all I'm gonna do, this part is gonna run down, all of this is gonna run down to the seat, and then we'll do the seat part. Now you can see that that part is loose. So I did use this tool that they provided to me to get rid of this bolt right here. Perfect. Finally got that Velcro up, and I'm just trying to feed all of this under that Velcro. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's running right through there. So if you can see that box right here, I need to disconnect this cable. All right, so it don't take that much. So I'm gonna take TL Yards, and I'm gonna plug theirs into that spot that I just disconnected. Okay, taking the original and plugging it into TL Yards. Should snap right in, which it does, which only leaves this one left, and I think that is for the actual transmitter. I would suggest you turn on the car now, and you see, now I do have back control by plugging in that pass-through in there. Now I have full control of the seat, so I know I've installed everything correctly. Okay, and the last thing is getting the transmitter plugged in so it will submit to the wireless controller. I'm just going to put it to the back like this, and then put it somewhere in here. Actually, to go right there, to be honest with you, right in that corner. That's where the transmitter is, right there. And that's where everything else is. Everything is connected now. And I think with it being just right there, everything will still snap back into place. The moment of truth. So I want to move the seat front just like that by pushing on button. So no more trying to reach over, go back. I can rock the seat forward and I can rock it back as well. How cool is this? There's many places where you can keep it. It's just wherever you want, wherever this 3M tape will work. You could put it on your seat, or if you just want to leave it out, then do that. Whatever you think, whatever is convenient for you. This is a really good product. It really is. And keep in mind, there's a 22% off discount at TL Yard for their 1-year anniversary. If it's between August the 10th, August 31st, you can use my code to get 22% off. If it's afterwards, 15 to 18%. Still not bad. If you have any questions, please let me know. This YouTube Ken. See you in the next video.